and welcome to Grace and Lottie's. Elizabeth here, really excited about something that I just got. So I entered a email contest, and if you look at the tape on this, you might be able to guess whose contest. It was Johanna Basford's, and I won. I'm like really excited. This got here yesterday. I've known for probably 2 weeks that I'd won, and I was like really surprised by it. I was like, ooh. But one of my bigger things that I wanted was a book with my name in it. Like, that was like a goal, like, for my channel and stuff. Wasn't exactly how I planned to get it, but I've got it in here. So I have waited to open this on camera. I actually got this yesterday, but I was feeling so crummy with a cold. Still can kind of hear it in my voice that I waited. So here we go. It's already, it came a little open right here. You can kind of see. I peeked, everything's in here that should be, so I wasn't too worried about that. So I don't actually have to cut it open. But what came in here was some beautiful notebooks that came, so you can kind of see those: land, sea, and sky. I'm kind of excited to what those will be, so we'll set that there. What also came were these pencils. Ooh, they're in the 10. Nice. I like when they come in a 10, so that's nice. I didn't know if they'd be the box of the 10. So these 72, these are supposed to be their artist grade, and I've had the Norris ones for a while, so I'm excited to see how these compare. So I'm like ready to dig in. Those are going to be a separate video. I might just open them here in a minute, but I'm excited that these were coming. We'll be testing those out. But here it is. Oh my goodness, it's wrapped. It's wrapped in here. Look. It's wrapped in, look at this. Oh, this is like so cute. Look at this. It's like, I'm like really excited. It's like Christmas in November. Okay, here we go. Here's the unwrapping. And no, I am not a wrapping paper ripper. I am slow, and I will, like, you can reuse the wrapping paper, but I do. Oh, look at it. Here's her new book, Rooms of Wonder. And I'm ready to open it up, and let's look on the inside. There we go. And happy coloring. So I've got my own little book right here. This is really fun. So let's just kind of flip through it, because I didn't look too much. I wanted to be surprised. I don't look too much at previews before I get them, so we can kind of flip through the book. Prefer some little things here. Ooh, does this have? Yeah, it does have a color palette test page. I was curious if it had the test pages in or not. Yeah, look at all this. Nameplate was one of my biggest videos back in the day, and I did that in the Staedtler North, so maybe I should do the nameplate is what I should do first, and the new pencils, and we can compare. Look at these rooms. I don't do a lot of rooms, so this is going to be interesting. Knitting. I've been knitting a bunch. My friend's having a baby. I'm making her a baby blanket. And sewing bits, too. For those of you who don't know, I started in fiber and textile for arts. So the idea of a sewing room is a happy place. Look at all those fun buttons, all the fabrics there. Ooh, all the flowers. And the key going into to unlock. This is a fun page right here. Oh, there's just lots of flowers. And then there's that. Fun writing room. Mushrooms! I love mushrooms too. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so hard to choose which page I'm going to do first. All your magical bits. Oh, this is fun, like from little nods to her previous books too. Ooh, this is like a fancy wallpaper right here. Then we've got a bunch of fun things here. Ooh, there's your workroom. They've got cake, supplies, kitchen, food, like a cafe, more magical bits. Astronomy, looking at the stars, cakes and sweets and yummy things. Oh, look at this, look at toys with all the fun. The dinosaur. Ooh, we're unlocking another room. Another area. Brush. Oh, this is like a little secret, like your vanity back in your closet. Oh, neat new another wallpaper type thing. Teapots, sweets. Ooh, that looks like a cozy place to sleep right there. It's like a very cozy place. The shower, outdoor showers. Like I've been watching Inez Ilmazar, it's something like that. His channel where he goes and like he reviews all these like expensive houses. Like he does tours, and every house has like an outdoor shower. More cakes and things and sweets. Ooh, we're unlocking this. Are we going into a workroom? They got the cogs and the gears. Yep. Mechanical bits. We got the prams. All the tins and bits here. Cooking. Brewing. Look at the L's with the mail sorting. So this has got like the jungle. I'm seeing nods to the other books, which I like a lot. I'm really enjoying this. This is a fun book. So, music! The music room. They've technically got a cello over here with the pen. It's really tall though. You have to be a really tall person playing that cello. This is really fun. I'm excited about this. The end. Cool. So this one will keep me occupied for quite a while. I will probably go get it spiral bound so I can lay it flat. It's a little easier to work with. Let's go ahead and let's open these next. Hold on. Real quick. My computer is trying to get me to do an update, of course, right now while I'm recording. Makes sense, right? Let's look at these notebooks. Curious about them. Lancy and size. 3 colorable notebooks. Real neat. They've got the silver, the bronze, and the gold. These Lancian skies. They've got little motifs that you can color on the pages. Not too big, so you don't get like distracted by coloring rather than taking your notes that you need to take. There's too much to color, but this would be fun because you can add a little bit of fun to your pages. All of your ideas and things. Fun! The sea, land. All the pretty flowers. Ooh, there's a tiger. A monkey! Oh, look at the sloth! These are really fun. I'm like so thankful for these. This is like awesome. Oh, ivy. Oh, this was a grid. This is dot. Okay, in line. There are actually different types of notebooks too. I wasn't paying attention to that. I didn't notice there was dots on the last one. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, cool. I have to try those out. I've had a notebook for a little bit that I haven't been like happy with. And then like I had one before that I loved. And it's been like I haven't been taking notes like I used to because I don't like my notebook. That's a very funny reason to not take notes, right? But it's a little bit difficult to do. But anyway, thank you, Johanna Basford, for all of this. I am so excited to have this and I'm looking forward to coloring it, and there will be videos coming of me getting to do all of this. That just proof here somebody actually does win these, so be watching. Enter the contest. That is the moral of the story. Oh, here, we'll actually open the pencils. I didn't open the pencils. They are like sealed. Oh, we'll save that for a video. You'll have to be watching. I'm gonna get these open and we're gonna swatch them and we'll be coloring with them, so be watching for that video. It'll be coming soon. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.